Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi using ingredients from your own garden. First, let's plan your sushi garden. Think about what you love in sushi, like crisp cucumbers or sweet carrots, and decide which you can grow. Select a sunny spot, ideally receiving 6 or more hours of sunlight each day. Enrich your soil with good compost for healthy plants. Even with limited space, container gardening works wonderfully for many sushi-friendly herbs and vegetables. Now let's get those ingredients growing. Plant your chosen seeds or seedlings like crisp cucumbers, vibrant radishes, or fresh leafy greens. Remember to water consistently. About 1 inch of water weekly is a good target. Keep an eye out for any garden pests or diseases, and use natural, organic solutions to keep your plants healthy. Harvest your vegetables when they are young and tender. This ensures the best flavor and texture for your homemade sushi. With your garden bounty ready, it's time to make some delicious sushi. First, wash, peel, and thinly slice your fresh garden vegetables like those crisp cucumbers and carrots. Next, cook your sushi rice perfectly, then season it with a blend of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Lay a nori sheet on your bamboo mat, spread a thin, even layer of rice, and arrange your vibrant garden fillings. Roll it up tightly, then slice into beautiful, bite-sized pieces. Finally, the best part, enjoying your homemade, garden-fresh sushi. Serve your rolls right away to experience their peak flavor and texture. Complement your delicious creations with classic accompaniments like soy sauce, a bit of pickled ginger, and a dab of wasabi. Sharing this unique garden-to-table experience with loved ones makes it even more special. Savor the incredible freshness and the deep satisfaction of growing and crafting your own sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.